Harmony Dream.
The Brave Dog.
Once upon a time, in a small village in the mountains, there lived a big dog named Buster. Buster was a massive dog, with a fierce bark and a size that intimidated everyone who crossed his path. The villagers were scared of him, believing that his size meant he was dangerous and unpredictable. But what the villagers didn't know was that Buster was actually a gentle giant. He had a kind heart and a protective nature, always looking out for those around him. Despite his intimidating appearance, Buster longed for acceptance and love from the people in the village. One day, as the sun was setting and the villagers were going about their daily routines, a dangerous snake slithered its way into the village. The snake made its way towards a small cradle where a baby lay sleeping, unaware of the danger approaching. Buster, sensing the threat, sprang into action. With a loud bark, he charged towards the snake, his teeth bared and his fur bristling. The villagers watched in awe as Buster fought off the snake, protecting the baby from harm. From that day on, the villagers saw Buster in a new light. They realized that he wasn't a threat, but a hero who had saved the life of a child. They welcomed Buster into their community with open arms, showering him with love and affection. Buster, now beloved by all, lived a wonderful life in the village. The villagers took turns feeding him, playing with him, and giving him all the love and care he deserved. Buster was no longer feared, but respected and admired by all who knew him. And so, the big dog named Buster went from being misunderstood to being a cherished member of the community, all because of his brave act of saving a baby from a dangerous snake. From that day on, Buster lived happily ever after, surrounded by the love and acceptance of the people who once feared him.
Please subscribe.